Good morning. Back out in the shop. Today we're cutting down a bucket. We got an equipment bucket and it's the wrong size. So over here, yesterday Steve cut out that little 3-inch section. Here's our bucket. And then over here is the other 3-inch section that he cut out. The back springs out. And see how that sprung out? That's really common for that to happen. And sometimes they'll warp out sideways too. This one didn't. It stayed nice and straight this way. It just, the back piece warped out. So we're gonna tack this center piece back up, and we use the zip disc to cut it. So we're gonna use that little zip disc as a spacer so we can get it back exactly where it was. And then we'll measure our side plates, make sure that they're exactly where they need to be. We'll get it tacked up there. That's looking good. Okay, can you grab a squirt gun and just tack it anywhere in there. That 71 ultra burns so nice. So we're tacked up here, we're tacked up here. Okay.
I'm just going to make this selection for try to get this together.
Yeah. Oh, that one broke too? Hit 'em both. Hit 'em both. Oh, she's groaning.
Something in the fucking place there, boy. Come on, fucking stroke it out.
Yeah, well, and we're getting real close. Don't check her inside. 2 inches up.
It's so hard to fucking tell. Now you can't see the bottom of the fucking thing. Oh, it's gonna come off my head.
Perfect. Right there where we're going. That's perfect right there. Right line with my.
Oh, what the?
What? Oh, that's the worst when it does that.
There we go. That's fine.
So as we go, we're just, we got this started across here where we wanted it. Then we figured out where we wanted it there. Then we went back an inch or two and we found it there. And I just keep working it away. Nice straight lines across. So now we just gotta do this back top where it's all gappy. We'll pull that in and it'll be mint. Getting her all welded up. As long as it all looks like that, we'll be happy. Me and Steve are taking turns. I did a little bit, he does a little bit. And then we'll get this thing beat. Ooh, yeah. That wire just burnt so nice. Just awesome. It just eats in there. Fills up. So nice.